the fuck is gonna be drawing? Alright, let's see here. What is this? A bowl? I'll wait till people guess it. Wait, what? What is this? Mouth? It looks like a dried up mouth. No idea why I put teeth, but... Oh my god, that face is... Wait. Oh, it's tooth. God damn it. Oh, well. Did I get it? Oh, I did. Oh, god. Why does, Are they seriously having trouble getting this? This is like the easiest word. If you... It says one. Yep, tooth. Alright. Round 3. Who the fuck's Sammy? Oh. Alright, let's see what this bitch draws. Brush, GG, bread. What the fuck? What the hell am I seeing? A fist? What the hell is that? Oh. I think I might know what it is. Is it a thumb? That is a thumb. Oh my god. I forgot why I haven't played Skribbly in so long. Oh my god. Hey, look, it's a tiny fist. Oh my god. Thumb. Alright. Oh, it's my turn. Charlie Chaplin. That reminds me of something, but I'm going to step because it's the easiest. Oh shit, wait. God damn, I think I should have actually gone with Charlie Chaplin so I can draw a Hitler mustache and not get in trouble for it. Because I've seen that in the Vandals gaming video. Charlie Chaplin. Wait, it's not Charlie Chaplin, it's Charlie Chaplin. What the hell am I drawing? What is this? I don't even know what the hell my drawing is. Only 2 people guessed it. Just imagine how many people hate me. Oh, peen. Who the fuck is peen? Alright, box? No, box doesn't fit. No, house does not fit either. Block. No, Pope? No, church? Let me try Pope. No. But I saw that cross. It looks like a cross. What is this? Gun? Is this a gun? Or is it a car? Oh, it's a gun. It looks more like a car of a gun. Chest? Minecraft. That doesn't... Oh. Fortnite. Oh, god damn it. Why does it have to be the game I don't really like? Even though I uploaded a video literally yesterday about it. Oops. What is this word? Oh, he's erasing the gun. What the fuck am I seeing? Why is there a plus on this fucking... What is that? A hat or a kippah? It looks like a do-rag to me. Why? 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 Alright. see what this is. Oh, is it loot? What the? Is this bowl? No, it's not bowl. Can, cylinder, gas canister. You know these words, but it's 4 letters. What the fuck is this? What is this? Why is there a fucking... What is this? Can I get a fucking image on what this is supposed to be? What the... I honestly hate whoever is doing that. Someone guessed it? What? What is this? Can the time just be over with already? Still 20 seconds to this bullshit. Stick? Oh, sticky. What is sticky that fucking is LU? I hate my life. It was glue. Dicky is choosing a word. God damn it. So many people were going to kick. Oh my god. Dirt. Well, no, people already guessed dirt. Soil. What the hell is this? Oh. There we go. Wind. Anyway, this is some great commentary by me. So guys, just to say, there will be an upcoming Smash Bros. Video coming soon. I'm gonna try to get a video of me versus Husky or Cloud. Also, a new Fortnite video might come out. Depends if I have nothing else to film. But I have... Okay, yeah. I have already, 4 Scriblio videos ready to be uploaded. Well, not really. I still need to edit the other 3. But this is the first one. Alright, what the hell is this? Bread? No, wait, it doesn't fit. So why am I putting... What am I seeing? What is this? Oh my god, is this actually what this is? This immediately needs to be put down. What the fuck? Oh, I got my thumbnail already. This is what I'm putting in the thumbnail. Alright guys. Yeah, that's gonna be the end for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Juka, signing off.